This video we're going to learn the basics of CMS and how you can apply it in your Webflow builds. Now we're going to go through the structure of this beautiful template which is called Canvas, which you can find in the template section in Webflow. And basically we're going to examine how a CMS is integrated within a Webflow site in a relatively easy way because as a heads up, the Webflow CMS is essentially a system within Webflow that enables you to create, manage, and display dynamic content across your website. So unlike static content, which stays the same until you manually change it, dynamic content can be updated in one place and automatically reflected across various pages and layouts. And this is going to be particularly useful for websites with recurring or structured content like blogs, portfolios, e-commerce products, or team member profiles. Now, why is the Webflow CMS useful? There's a few different reasons why. First of all, it's going to be efficiency. So instead of manually updating each page, you can manage content centrally and have it automatically update wherever it's referenced on the site. Another thing to consider is also scalability. It's going to enable you to easily add new content items like blog posts or products without needing to design a new page each and every time. So the CMS structures and organizes content, allowing for large-scale updates. And it's also going to be useful for consistency because content managed through the CMS ensures uniformity across the site, as all the items adhere to predefined templates and structures. It's also going to be more user-friendly as it's accessible for non-developers. So once the CMS is set up, content editors can update content without needing to dive into the design or code. And this applies also for your clients. So you're going to want to keep these things in mind, and to access the CMS to give you a practical overview, you simply want to click on this icon right here. And as you can see, we have different what they call CMS collections. Now, in each and every one of these collections, you're going to be able to find a series of items related to that collection. So for example, we have a blogs CMS collection, which contains 9 items, which are going to be the blog posts. So if we click on the blog section, you can now see that we have these 9 blog posts. Now, in order to access them, you simply click on the title, and you can see that for each and every blog post, we have a title, we have a slug, which is essentially the URL which is going to be shown in the live website. And then we have specific custom fields, which are going to be customizable and change from at CMS collection to the other. So you're going to see how you can easily customize all of this. And here's going to be the main content for the actual blog post. On top of that, they also have a locale, and you can archive, delete, or duplicate this blog post directly from here. Now we're going to click view content on blog page so that you're going to be able to see this blog post which we just had a look at. So this is it, and we are going to essentially learn how you can customize these elements and create these CMS collections in the very next video. But just to give you a heads up, over here you can also easily search for the blog post. You can also filter and multiple select and take different actions right here, which are going to be useful. So for example, if you want to bulk stage for publish, save a draft. Of course, this is a template which we're accessing in view mode, so we cannot see. And we're going to explore all of the other features in the very next video as we're going to build our CMS collection.